All right, since it's working perfectly, but here are some catches. Like right now, I'm not signed in. I have already logged out. Though if I go to the dashboard page, I can see I am able to visit the dashboard pages. And this not makes any sense because I'm not supposed to be allowed to visit the dashboard page when I'm not logged in, right? So I have to protect the dashboard page from unauthenticated users. So without authentication, no one can visit the dashboard page. And this makes sense. So how can we do that? So we can achieve that with two ways. I'm going to show you the first way right now with Kinde APIs. So let's go to the sections Kinde Auth data server side. Yes. And this dude. We'll need this dude to protect our dashboard. So how can you do that? Just copy this import file and go to our Next.js file. These are dashboard page. So paste this dude and again go to the documentations. Copy these two dudes and paste it in here. So is user authenticated? This variable returns true if the user is authenticated, or return false if the user is not authenticated or not logged in. So we can make a logic here, like if the user is authenticated, then only we will show the content of the dashboard. If not, then we'll show another content like forbidden. So right now, right, the logic is authenticated, then we'll show here the content is in the parent. All right, and if the user is not authenticated, then we'll show a text like forbidden. And we have to close the tag. We are good to go. So what we do here is like when the user is authenticated, then we'll show the content of the dashboard pages, and when the user is not logged in, then we'll just simply return a value like forbidden. So let's go to the browser and go to the dashboard. If we refresh this page, maybe we'll see the forbidden text. Yes, you can see the forbidden text. Let's go to the home page to see if when the user is signed in or logged in, then we can see the content of the dashboard or not. So sign in, continue with Google, and we can see that we can see our dashboard content, which are dashboard and logout. So this is one way to authenticate a root like dashboard, which you want to show the content only the authenticated users. So currently our dashboard is not looking very good. So for an authenticated user, we can show some properties of the users like their name or their images. So how can we do that? So let's go to the Kinde documentation. So from here, we have already imported get Kinde server session. So you have to just import get user. Let's go to our code, and from here we'll import get user. All right. So from here, const user equal await, since it's asynchronous, and get user. Sorry, user. All right. And this is the user, and we can get all of the user properties by using this variable. So let's see which properties we can get from user. So we can see that get user returns this JSON format properties. From here we can get email ID, family name, the user's family name actually, given name, then picture URL actually, then username, phone number. So we are not going to use all of them. We will use just picture and given name. So copy the given name and go to the code, and here h1 and user dot given name. Also we want to show the image of the user. So let's import the next image, and source should be user.picture, and then alternative name should be user given name, and then width I'm going to add it, give it 100. If you like more bigger image, then you can give more values in here. Height should be 100, and then let's close the tag. Here we have some error. Which the error? All right, this TypeScript error. So just give empty string in case there are no image, and we are good to go. So let's keep the given name above the image, save it, and go to browser. Refresh the page. Wow, we have an error. So this is very common error. So we have to fix it to our Next.js project. Let's go to the Next.js project. Go to our Next.js configuration, and then here we have to add images and accepted domains to these hosts. Copy this and paste it here and save it. Now go to the browser, reload the page. All right, so we can see that our user given name, my name is Sabir, and my profile picture is showing in our dashboard page. So it's working perfectly. So just log out to see if an unauthenticated user can see this data or not. All right, sign in again. Continue with Google. We can see our data, but if the user is logged out and then visit the dashboard page, then forbidden. Yeah, so this is one way to protect a page from unauthenticated users. So this is a way to protect your root from unauthenticated users, but this is actually not ideal. So my friends, thank you for staying with me. Hope this video helps you. Please do comment, subscribe and like. Thank you. See you in the very next video.